How to convert PDF to Word document for free? Head over to adobeexpress.com. Click on the first link, adobe.com Express. Make sure you are logged in. Once you are logged in, click on Document. Here you can see multiple options: convert to PDF, edit PDF, combine files, organize pages, convert from PDF. We need to select this option. Here we need to upload a file. We can upload file up to 100 MB. So let's upload a file. Here we need to select Microsoft Word Docs. Click on Download. It takes some time to convert from PDF. Here you can see it is now converted into Word document for free. So let's open it. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.